Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to change the power button settings or how to change the power button function on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL and any other Pixel device running the Android 16 version. By default, when you long press the power button, it will run the Gemini on the latest Google Pixel devices. So if you want to show the power menu instead of the Gemini using the power button or a side key, follow this tutorial. Open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down until the system. Tap on a system. Here you can find the gesture option. Tap on it. Here you can see the two options: double press power button and press and hold the power button, or a single press power button. So first of all we show press and hold the power button. Now here you can see by default set the digital assistant. So when you long press it, you can see not the Gemini on your device. Now select the power menu on your device. Now press and hold the power button on your Pixel 10 and you can see on the power menu. So quite easy to change the power button setting or power button function on Google Pixel 10. The second option is the double press the power button will open the camera. Like when you double press the power button, it will quickly access the camera on your device. Again double press it. Now move back forward. Now here second option the wallet option by default disable because we can't use this feature on my phone. So in the double press power button you can select the camera or the wallet option only. So it's quite easy to change the power button or side button settings on your Google Pixel 10 series. That's it. Like it, share it or hype it if you like this gesture settings. Thank you for watching this.